What's up, guys? Welcome to SM Builds. Finally got the F250 here in the garage. That was a little bit interesting to do because one of the back wheels was locked up. I think the emergency brake was stuck on, but you know, we got it up in here. I'll add a video in at the end of getting it in here. I actually used a chain fall. Not ideal, but it works. As you'll see later, just wanted to do a quick walk around of the truck here. It's a 2011 F250 6.7 power stroke. Texas truck, about 180,000 miles on it. Picked it up at an auction. Really no rust on it at all. It's got a couple dings here and there and scratches. Of course, 180,000 miles. Front bumper here it's got an iron cross on it. Little surface rust on it stuff. It's gonna need a little bit of cleaning up. Basically, guys, what we got here is a crank nose start. What I'm thinking is hopefully it's just a CP4 pump. So do the fuel system on it, hopefully. So got a compression tester coming this week. Gonna check all compression and basically gonna check compression on every cylinder, make sure the base motor is good. Not quite sure what happened. I hooked it up to I jumped it with my other truck earlier in the week just to check the codes. I had, it had about 14 codes. That most of them did point to a fuel system. So I am hoping that it's a fuel system. Got batteries here now, so I was gonna hook those up for you guys and kind of show you what it was doing. Maybe turn it over for the first time, see what it sounds like. I pulled the radio out because somebody just threw a Mustang radio in here just to make it look like it had a full interior. It looked like the stock radio, but something weird was going on with that. It was on when it wasn't supposed to be, when the key wasn't on or anything. So I pulled that out just because I need to get a new one anyway, so might as well do everything I can now. I think I'm gonna buy a scanner today and get that coming for next week so I can show you guys. I'm gonna need it anyways because I'm gonna be planning on doing this stuff from now on and taking you guys along with me, hopefully, and hopefully you guys like it. I'm pretty excited about it. See if I can't have some fun with you guys with all these trucks here, since I'm messing with them anyways. I love watching YouTube. Pretty excited about it. So also I'll be able to go in there and check the fuel pressure desired versus the fuel pressure, the actual fuel pressure. And then I need the scan tool also anyway, so I can command on the lift pump and flush out all these lines. So yeah, well, let's get to it here. I'm gonna hook these batteries up and turn the motor over a little bit on it just to show you guys kind of what it does. We'll see. Let's see here, get right to it. Sorry, I'm an electrician by trade, so you always pull your hand away on any arc. It's just it's a good habit to have in my trade. But it does look a little funny sometimes when you're just dealing with this little 12-volt stuff. Almost so used to getting shocked with higher voltage stuff that you want to move your hand because you can get locked on it. So let's see if we can't get this tightened up a little bit here. Just a little bit. I'm going to unhook them a little bit here after we're done. However, I did go to school for auto and diesel, so I know a little bit about this stuff. Neighbor dog. Guess I'll try to remember a little bit about it anyways, or learn the rest on the way here. Oh, that's always good to leave that there. Nope. Put that there. Alright, let's see here. That's a new one. Oh, it's probably because I have the 4x4 switch unhooked. No big deal. Here we go. Try to turn it over once. Almost sounds like it's got a little skip to it, but I have heard that that's what they do when they have low fuel pressure, just because it's almost trying to start the truck, but it only has enough pressure maybe on 1 or 2 injectors to be able to do it. So yeah, basically the plan here, if it is just the fuel system, obviously if it does need a whole motor, I guess we're gonna put a motor in it. I'm hoping it's just the CP4 or the whole fuel system. So basically what we would do then is take the tank out, clean that all out, clean the supply lines out, and then what I think I'm gonna do is get a used CP4 pump and used injectors and fuel rails from a lower mile truck, and then replace all that. The turbo also has a line on it. The return line, pretty common leak, that's leaking, so we'll fix that while we're in there. I'm also gonna delete it while we're in here, so we're gonna get rid of the EGR. That ain't going back on. So yeah, it should be interesting deal here. Hopefully you guys want to come along and watch my first build and stay for the rest of the builds. I'm gonna keep trying to do this as long as I can make money on it, you know, or make enough money to keep doing it, because this is kind of what I want to do. So thanks a lot, guys. I'll put that video of me getting the truck up in here at the end here, and if you like the video, like it. If not, tell me why down in the comments. Anything that I could do better, you know, I'm new at this, so I'll take any advice I can get. So alright, thanks a lot, guys. Like, subscribe. So this is the current situation. Pop this anchor in. Only way I could do it. The right rear is locked up, so I got the jack under there. I pulled it as far as I could with my other pickup, but have to do this for the rest of the way. The old four-wheeler winch has pulled out too many stuck side by sides and been flooded with water over the years, so wouldn't do it. But yeah, slowly but surely we're gonna get that truck right here, start tearing into it. Got a crank no start, so I'll set you down and show you how this is working. It's about 92 today, so it's working, but slowly but surely. And as you can see, it's really making me work for my money today, but it is working. Eventually, I think I'm gonna get a winch, put a second one of those in, and got a receptacle right there, so yeah, but this will work for today.